Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique. So in this video, I'm just going to show how to download a document in Google Docs as a plain text. You can just just open it as a node. It doesn't download as a document. It just download as a plain text. So I just open a sample document. You can see it has a 2 pages. So I just need a plain text, not an image or whatever the designs or whatever that want. I just need only the text. So you just need to click on the file option here, then go to the download option here. You can see a list of options to download here. There's a lot of the formats: Microsoft Word, open document format, rich text format, PDF document, plain text. So I said about this. So just click on the plain text. So that automatically the download begins, and you can see now just opening it, you can see it downloaded as a Word notes. You can just open it as notes, or you can also open it wherever. So you can just copy. It's only download the text. It doesn't download the images here. So this is a super easier if you are taking a notes, or if you are making a paragraph or lines. You didn't want any images from that. You can easily download only text by using this option. So you just need to go to the file option, click on the download and go to the plain text. That's it. So I just finished this video. If you find this video useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. If you want more videos about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.